What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes up with another how-to. Today we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, first thing you guys want to do is remove these two. So this is held in by clips. Now, you probably could take your hand. There you go. And pop that thing off like that. Put it like that. Let's see if I can do the same thing with this side. They're just held in by clips, guys. Don't be scared. There we go. All right. So now we got those two off. Now, next I think this whole thingamaboot comes out. Let's see. Yep, sure does. Of course, you guys can use the panel removal, but just no need right there. That whole thing comes down here. Now, looks like somebody already been in here, but we're gonna take out 1, 2, 3, and 4 10 mil bolts. Alright, take our hands, just kind of come up under here. Come up from the top a little bit. There we go. Yep, held in by some of them good old clips. Now let's take out all these, I'm talking about hella harnesses. Alright, y'all, so I got all the harnesses disconnected, all 1,000 of them, and we have the radio right here. Now there are some things that are going to have to come off of this radio to go onto the new dash kit so it looks factory. So let's get to that part right now. Alright, y'all, so I came over here to the test bench. As you can see, that is our factory radio, and this is our dash kit where our double DIN is going to fit. Now, right off the jump, what we want to do is take this trim piece out. And this is the Metro dash kit, the 998227. All the links will be in the description. And we want to come in and we want to snap that bar out. Since we are putting in a double DIN, this can go for a single DIN as well. It does come with a pocket, but since we're not using that, since we're not doing a single DIN, we want to go ahead and snap that out. Now, you do have these pieces right here. All you have to do is turn those over. Stick it in that little ridge, and they just pop on right there. And what that does is it allows our double DIN radio to slide in, and we will put our screws in right there, and that's that part. Now, as you can see, we don't have our AC, we don't have our hazard lights, we don't even have our little knobs, and this little black piece at the top, we don't have that either. So we need to start taking that stuff off of this piece. So the first piece, I guess we can do is this little black top part right there. I'll take my #1 Phillips. Like I told you in my other videos, I don't really like using drills on these type of pieces. Too much torque can break this plastic, so we're just gonna screw those out. All right, and that takes that piece off right there. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to go ahead and get that first one out first so you can see exactly what you have to do, because looking at this, it looks kind of hard, but what you have to do is you have to take these, pull these tabs out. There's one over here, there's one right there, there is 2 right here, one right there, one right there, and then there's also 2 at the bottom. But since I got this out, you can see the 2 clips at the bottom, the one that's up at the top, that one that's on the side, that one that's on the side, and these 2. It was easiest for me to I think I took that one out first, kind of lifted it up, and then I kind of snapped that away, and then I was able to come down here. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand and trying to record at the same time, but boom, got that out. All right, now go ahead and get this. Now pop that out. It's gonna be our hazard light. So now that we have that button, it actually comes with this own little thing that we're gonna kind of slide in there. But we do want to get that harness out. So I'm held in by that little tape right there. I'm not gonna need that on the new radio. And lastly, we need to get this little cover out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more Phillips that we're gonna hand take out. Hand screw, we're gonna hand screw these out. Alright, so now we got the new dash kit. We're just gonna take this little piece right here, put it in. It's gonna just a small little latch on type deal. Slide that inside. Good, it's not too tight. Locks in. Then we're going to plug this in right here, and boom. That's it for that. Like I said, this can hang for all our characters. Just gonna plug in. Probably end up taking this part off. Not important right now. Let's grab that other. Oh yeah. So you got these little pieces. It's gonna go on like this to the front part. Boom. They lock in like that. Still have to screw them in from the back. So we take those same screws. We're gonna screw those in. Now I've already done that one just to make sure that I'm doing it right. But this thing is easy, man. We're just gonna snap it in. It's hard to take it out. Well, it's not hard, but it's more challenging to take it out than it is to just put it back in. Boom, snaps in perfect. And that's what we look like. Close, open, good, just like factory. And oh yeah, let's put that top part on. And that part was easy. It literally just slide in place, holes lined up, and I just put those two screws back in there. Now it does come with its own clips, but I like to use the exact same ones that they came from the factory because I know these will work exactly how they're supposed to work. You can use either or, it really doesn't matter. It's just my preference. I like using the ones from the factory. You just take them off, put them on just like that, and shoot, go ahead and wire this thing up now. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. I didn't actually think I needed to show y'all how to do that part. I just kind of slid that in, and when I got it flush how I wanted to, I put the screws on each side, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. Now let's go ahead and get this thing wired up, plug it up. Alright, so we got everything inside, we got everything wired up. Now don't mind all this because it is not cleaned up. I just want to test it first to make sure that everything is going to work. But I know what you're probably thinking, I didn't actually go over the wiring. The reason I do that is because I want to make these videos short and sweet and simple, kind of straight to the point as much as possible. And for people who already know how to hook up a radio, you get what you need and just how to take this out. And for people who don't know, I have a list of how-to videos right there in those cards that you can click in the corner so you can kind of further your knowledge with all those videos that I have in that playlist. They're pretty much the exact same way each time, and I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time by showing you how to do that when I can just make one video for the people who don't know how to wire that up. Alright y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this your boy JP signing out.